To understand the relationship of archetypes and human consciousness, I think it's necessary to use maybe a spatial metaphor. Um, Archetypes in themselves are formless, and um, but within themselves, they have this actualizing power. And so they come forth in the imagination as a form of impetus. They have a kind of, the word is teleological. They are purpose driven, and typically they have some kind of plan or impetus, and they come forth in the human psychological economy as a kind of power. And through the suchness of that power, they instigate a kind of process within our minds, within our souls, and this causes us to feel things in a certain way. It causes us to start having imaginings and ideas and impulses, and we start to move towards actualizing the sort of essence of the archetype that's been activated in us. And so that's how an archetype is related to the coming into being of human consciousness.